Nexo Card App. The pros, the cons. The Nexo Card app is designed to bridge the gap between crypto and everyday spending, letting users spend their digital assets anywhere MasterCard is accepted. Most people get this wrong by thinking it's just a standard crypto card, but the surprising truth is that Nexo allows instant crypto-backed spending without needing to sell assets. On the pros side, the app provides real-time portfolio tracking, instant crypto-to-fiat conversion, and the ability to earn cash back on purchases in crypto or Nexo tokens. Users can manage multiple crypto accounts, lock or unlock the card instantly, and receive instant notifications for every transaction. Nexo's insurance coverage also protects funds stored within the platform. On the cons side, the card's rewards are often highest when paid in Nexo tokens, which may fluctuate in value. Fees may apply for certain transactions, including atom withdrawals and foreign exchange. Beginners may also need time to understand how crypto-backed spending works compared to traditional cards. In conclusion, the Nexo Card app is perfect for users who want to seamlessly integrate crypto into daily life without liquidating their holdings. While some rewards and fees require careful consideration, the convenience, flexibility, and security make it a strong choice for crypto spenders.